Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Tuesday, September 26th. Time is around 5:30 GMT, and we will have a look at the Dow Jones futures on the Oanda platform. So my take on the Dow Jones is that we finished a wave 1 here and that we are currently working on this wave 2. This is the target area for our wave 2. And I believe this wave 2 is unfolding as an ABC pattern. As you can see, I have two ABC patterns here on my chart. If you follow me for a while, then you know that I put my primary scenario in green and my secondary scenario is indicated in red. So this means that I favor here the triangle scenario for now, and that would mean that our wave A is was in here. Then we had a triangle A, B, C, D, E as a wave B. We broke to the downside, and so now, we started our wave C from here, and so if this is the wave B, then we can calculate the target. Like if this is our wave A, this is our wave B, then our wave C is supposed to end here between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Now, there's also an alternative scenario, which is the scenario that we have our wave A here, but the wave B is located here, and then the wave C target becomes, if we take the length of our wave A, the length of our wave B, then the wave C target becomes here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. Now, I do not really like this secondary scenario because that would mean that our wave C started here, and so then if I look at the internals of this structure, it would mean that this is a wave 1 here as an impulse, but I cannot really. I have difficulties with counting this as an impulse. This is only 3 waves in my opinion, and then there might also be a problem here with this impulse. So I think I elaborated quite well on this in my yesterday's video. So like the conclusion is, like, if this has to be a wave C, the internals do not actually the internals do not really support a wave C, I would say, or an impulse wave. So therefore, I favor here the A, B, C scenario. Now, so if our wave C starts here, then we should have a wave 1 and then 2, 3, 4, 5 down into this area here. Now, I believe this wave 1 here might be close to finish. Like, it looks like we try to get out of this downward cycle here. So let's see if that works. Then on the 1 hour, we also see divergence here, and we also have actually enough swings. If we look at the 15 minutes, my count would be like this: wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So I think the low might be in, and then I expect to see some upside here as a wave 2. Let's have a look here. This becomes our target area of the wave 2. If we take the length of our wave 1, then the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIP retracement is the area where we should go as a wave 2. So that's my forecast for today. I would soon expect some kind of corrective move up. Then I would like to see how this move actually looks like, because don't forget, like, from a swing perspective, we actually have enough um, to to finish this. Like, we have an A, or we have like a first leg down, a leg up, and then we took out this low here. However, like, we have our three swings, which is a requirement for a corrective move, but yeah, the structure does not look complete in my opinion. There is more to come, I believe, but we cannot forget that we already took out this low here, so this can be enough to complete the correction. So I would like to see what's coming here. Like, yeah, ideally we see like a clear corrective move up, like as a nice ABC, and then this would be a nice short opportunity in my opinion. But we need more data for this. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.